Hey there, welcome back. Yes, it's me, Jessica Campos, the recovered attorney that turned herself into a forensic digital marketer. And now I love helping entrepreneurs and marketing teams to build brands and monetize it. Yes. Welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to cover, as requested, all about marketing proposals. And the main reason why I'm picking the marketing industry is because I've been working in this industry over the past 10 years. But just to let you know, the fundamental principles of sending a proposal and contracting are pretty much in general for across many industries. I have worked as a lawyer. In the law industry, I have been a personal injury attorney, a family law attorney, construction law attorney, real estate attorney. Then I jumped into direct sales. So when it comes into agreements and selling, this is just something that no matter what industry you are, you're going to benefit from this video. As always, I want to take a moment to give a shout out to a business owner that is killing it. This one goes out to Team Barnes Media. They are amazing. They're local businesses here in Austin, and they have been training entrepreneurs how to get comfortable in camera. They even have a certification program. So guys, you guys go out and check them out. Yes. Now let's dive in. I actually suggest that to make the best out of this episode, you guys get ready to take notes and we can just have conversations in comments, because I don't know in what stage you are in your business, and I might be just making assumptions, and I would hate to do that. And my goal is to give you an opportunity to have a takeaway that is applicable to you out of this video. So let's go in. The first thing is, what is a proposal, and in which part of your selling process a proposal goes? One of the main mistakes that I see happening when entrepreneurs cannot close a sale is because they don't realize that they have been sending proposals way too early in the prospecting game. Okay. So guys, I'm assuming that you know what prospecting means, but if you don't, just a little bit of a brief. Prospecting is when you are out there contacting people who might be or not interested in what you have to offer. In the sales world, depending on how you sell, there are different ways to prospect. I'm assuming that if you're providing marketing services, you're using a model in which people don't necessarily can just buy your services in one click. That model is called, and let me just warn you, it is a word that is going to be difficult for me to pronunciate, so bear with me. Consultative sales process. I said it. So if you're using that process, I'm not going to repeat that again. If you're using that process, that means that you're doing consultations before you give out a proposal. So one mistake that I want you to avoid is to send proposals without consulting with your clients about their needs, their pain, their budget, who will be making the decision, and when do they want to start. Write those 5 things down. If you don't know that information, you better do not send any proposal out. If you have been sending information, because sometimes people say, can you send me something? You can send them something, but that something will be an overview. Typically in the marketing field, I have seen overviews that they are very shiny, very fancy, very pretty presentations. And what I noticed that the format matters. So it will be better if you have the format for the marketing materials different than the format for your proposals. What I mean is that for your marketing materials, you can be very shiny. You can include your PowerPoint presentation, and you can give them a great overview, include reviews, include testimonials. In those marketing materials, you are going to add a call to action, whether that is schedule a call to discuss your audit or schedule a call for an official consultation. Then you're going to be activating the consultation process. And after you have that consultation is when you're going to send out that proposal. That proposal, my personal opinion, At the beginning, I wanted to be very shiny. I wanted to create beautiful proposals. Everything was customized. And what I found out was that the more proposals we needed to prepare, the more confusing the process became. And one of the things that you need to scale your business is a process. So the more processes you have in your organization, the more organized and efficient you will be. For that reason, I'd rather stick into proposals that are black and white. It's a Word document, it's very simple, and it has the fine print, okay? So that's one mistake that I want you to consider avoiding, please. The second thing that I would say mistake to avoid is to ditch the quote. Very, very, very commonly, we see people that have websites that say request a quote. The problem is that when you are setting your agency or your business for a model that is requesting a quote, essentially just think about this. When you are acquiring maybe services that are related to cleaning your home and they measure your home and they give you a quote, yeah, that's applicable. That's a very common call to action that we can say it's a quote. But when you're providing services and those services are in the realm of professional services, then requesting a quote would not be appropriate. If you're using requesting a quote as a way to get clients information about your pricing, you're missing out. And what happens very often is that clients are going to be buying basically based on price. And what I love is to change that mindset. And I want you to believe that the clients are not going to hire you because you are the cheapest. I want you to believe that clients are going to hire you because you are the best. I love to say this from the get-go. If you're looking for the cheapest option, I'm not your cheapest option. I might not be actually the most accommodating option, but I am certain that I will give you the results and I will solve your problems. So you might want to set up those standards and expectations since day number one. And that starts by the way that you educate your prospects into how do you work. These actually can help you prevent many problems that you can have in that relationship in the future. Because if they see you as a contractor, they might just do whatever they want, and then the relationship is not going to be from professional to professional. It will be more from boss to contractor, and you might be just getting into a situation where you won't love your clients. We don't want that. All right, you made it, the last one, and I think this one is the best, so I saved it for the end. We did talk about the idea of stop creating plans so people understand, like, if you have one size fits all solutions. Now, I want to actually give you another way where you're going to get paid everything up front. Everything up front. So here's the thing. Imagine that you're taking your car to the mechanic and you need your car to be fixed because you need your car to work. So if you think about it, you're not going to have your car until you pay, correct? So what makes you feel like your clients should have your services financed? That doesn't make too much sense, correct? So instead of giving your clients this idea of like payment plans and pay this and give them like solutions that are based on what they're going to pay you, I want you to use the model where you create projects. And when you create projects, that means that you're going to say, hey, you're going to have to fix this, and that. I can do that for you. This is how many hours, this is how many contractor hours I need. What are my expenses? And this is going to be your invoice for part one of this project. So by switching from monthly basis and offering like retainers and those solutions that are one size fits all to project, not only you are going to have an increase on your cash flow, but also you are going to see more results because you're going to give your clients what they need in terms of the problems that they need to solve. You are going to be the consultant. It's not that they're going to get what they want. They're going to get what they need to achieve the goals. And this is actually taking us to the end. If what I said It is something that makes you believe like, wow, I better get my level up. I should be getting paid more. I'm not gonna send you a quote. I want to have a conversation with you, just like I'm teaching you. I'm not expecting for you to hire my consulting services with a click. So right now I do mostly training and consulting, and I have group coaching, but I stay away from those monthly plans and one size fits all solutions, and it seems to be working very well. And I want to recommend that to you as well. If you have any questions, or if you want me to review what you have been using for your business, I'm more than happy to give you that consultation. All you need to do is just in the description, there is a link. You can request that consultation and we take it from there. As always, I don't get paid for this video except for if you like it, if you comment, if you share, and also if you sprinkle your magic there and hit subscribe. Also, I want to remind you that we have a book, My Social Visibility Blueprint. It's in Amazon, or if you want it from one of these files and I can sign it, just let me know. I'm gonna be leaving that one as well in the description. That's it, guys. Bye for now.